Hello, my name is Abe Mashney. I'm a partner of Baldani Law Group here in Lexington, Kentucky, and today we're going to be talking about first-time theft offenders in Kentucky. And the theft charges, they're all located in Chapter 514 of the Kentucky Revised Statutes. They include statutes like theft by deception, theft by unlawful taking, theft of services, theft of extortion, receiving stolen property, mail matter, theft of identity. That's where all of the theft charges are going to be located, Chapter 514 of our statutes. And generally, if you're looking at theft of matters under $500, so the value is under $500, whether it be one item or multiple items, then it's going to be a misdemeanor, and that's going to be up to 12 months in jail. If it's over $500 and it's going to be less than $10,000, that's going to be a Class D felony punishable by 1 to 5 years. $10,000 to $1 million is going to be a Class C felony punishable by 5 to 10 years. And if it's over $1 million of theft, then it's a Class B felony, which is punishable by 10 to 20 years. And if it's over $10 million, then probation is not allowed. And so, whether it be a couple groceries and petty theft, or an expensive watch, or theft from an employer over several years, all cases have their own defense. And at first, it all starts with, what is the evidence? Do we have a confession? Or is there something on video or surveillance that catches you in the act? Did another person, is this a he said, she said? Can they prove that you took the item with the intent to deprive that person permanently of that item? Or were you entitled to take it? And is this a permission issue? And so whether any of those options, you got to first find out what is the evidence, because it's up to the government to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, because you are presumed innocent. So if they can prove their case, then we're going to want to know, what's the reasoning behind it? Is there a lapse in judgment? Is this a situation where you're down on your luck and you're just trying to make ends meet and you just made a bad decision to try to get out of a bad situation? Or is there substance abuse issues where there's addiction, or and you're just stealing to fuel that addiction? In any case, restitution is going to be a huge factor in any type of a theft case. And so the general rule is, the sooner we can get that restitution paid, the better, because prosecutors are more likely to give you a better deal if you can come up with it up front, rather than have to make payments on the back end after the plea deal has already been entered. So here in Lexington, we've had great success in getting theft-related cases into pretrial diversion. Once you're referred to the diversion program, you'll have to pay a fee to community service and not commit any new violations of the law. Once you've completed your community service, your charge will be dismissed and you're eligible for expungement. If you have any questions about theft-related charges here in Kentucky, please feel free to give us a call at 859-259-0727. Thanks for watching.